Hi, kids. So good to see you. Do you want to come play with us? Let's go on an adventure in my toy box.
Hi, Toybox kids and parents. Today we're going to be making an advent calendar for kindness. We're going to use some recycled materials like K-cups and cardboard and tissue paper from previous presents. All right, so for this activity, you're going to need some green tissue paper. I am going to be doing a 12-day advent calendar because I don't know about you, but I waited too long to do the whole month advent calendar for Christmas. You're gonna need some glue, some decorations, just some colorful pops in through the wreath, a piece of cardboard. This was just from a back of a sketchbook. You can see there's a little sketch there. And we already kind of lined the edge with tissue paper. This was a project that I started with my 4-year-old and my 1-year-old. Some rubber bands, some numbers to be little ornaments on the wreath, and you can actually find these on our website as a free download. I do have a 12-day version and a whole month version if you are on the ball a little bit more than I am. And also some ideas to go inside of the advent calendar, some kind things to do for people. There is a free sheet, give someone a compliment, volunteer, pick up some litter, tell a joke to make someone laugh. These are all free ideas. And then there is one that's not free. So like bake cookies for a friend, make a free little library, make a gift for a teacher, take flowers to someone. I have actually picked out some that I thought would be good for my kids, and I just cut them into strips, and we're going to put them inside the K-cups. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out where I'm going to have my ornaments on my sheet. This is about a 14-inch circle in diameter. So I'm just going to lay these out, and I just used like a trash can to trace this. I didn't do anything special. Just find something about the right size and trace it. So you have two types of tissue paper. I have about 2 by 2 inch, and then this one's more rectangular, but we'll pretend about 5 by 5. And these are going to wrap my K-cups and also create other decorations. This just kind of wrapped the edges around the outside. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tissue paper, the larger tissue paper, and I'm going to wrap it. Well, first I have to put in the Advent idea, so I'm gonna put make hot chocolate to share inside of here. I might also add some like stickers inside, just something colorful and fun. And I'm gonna wrap this around, and I'm gonna double this up because I don't want this to break. Band right under the lip. Fluff out the bottom. Okay. And I'm also going to put the number 1. Going to put a generous amount of glue on the bottom. I'm just going to let this. Just going to use Elmer's. It's pretty lightweight, so it will hold once it is completely dry. just going to repeat that 12 times. Alright, so the next step is to fill in the wreath with some extra greenery. I'm going to take some of the 5-inch squares, make some puffs. Glue, you could also dip this in glue, hot glue.
Hello, Toybox kids.
Hi, Toybox kids.
Today we're making a kindness calendar.
Yes, today we're making a kindness advent calendar.
And when for Christmas, we're gonna pull out some of these numbers and see what's nice after Christmas.
Yes, so an advent calendar is a countdown to Christmas. And I did not start at the beginning of the month, so we're going to do a 12 days of Christmas kindness calendar. Huh?
And I'm gonna pull one out first.
Yeah, but first we have to decorate this. This is a very nice wreath. We have our countdown numbers in the shape of ornaments, but we need to decorate this a little bit more, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what we have here are some spiral pipe cleaners. We have some pom-pom balls. And what else do we have here? Some ribbons.
And some bows.
And some bows. Do you like bows?
And a little heart.
Oh, a little heart. Perfect. I think that was from our bracelet making episode, but hey, there's a heart. Yep. Okay, so we're going to use some glue, and we're going to just put some extra pom-poms and decorations on this. And we're going to put a little glue, and we're going to put them on so they look like colorful berries on this wreath. What do you think?
I think that's cool.
You think that's cool? Awesome. Do you want to do the glue, or do you want to stick the pom-pom where I put the glue?
I want to put the glue.
Okay, so you put a dot of glue where you want a berry to go. A pom-pom.
I can't glue it.
Can you get it started? Oh, I didn't have it open. There you go. Now it's open. Very good. And then we stick the pom-pom on.
The blueberries.
Yep. All right, next one. Keep going. So this is an advent calendar for kindness.
Now you can
Okay, now and then you put the poems on. So what do you think kindness is?
That's a big berry.
Yeah. What do you think kindness is? What does it mean to be kind?
Oh. Like sharing your ice cream cone.
Okay, kindness is like sharing your ice cream cone. What else is kindness? Give me an example of kindness.
Like sharing your toys.
Sharing your toys.
And sharing.
Right here.
And sharing your.
What else besides sharing? What else can you do besides sharing to be kind?
Sharing your food if you don't have any.
Okay, giving someone food if they don't have any. How about helping things like
Like fixing the car.
okay, fixing someone's car, giving your time to fix someone's car. That's very nice. What else?
Like sharing your crystals.
Okay, sharing your crystals. All right. How about saying kind words to people?
Yes.
What if I say, that is a very nice dress? Is that nice to say?
Yeah.
What if you say, you're a really nice person to someone? Do you know what that's called?
Today I just saw a real girl.
Oh, yeah?
And she was kind of weird looking.
Is it nice to say that someone is weird looking?
No.
No, that's not kind, right? What did Daddy tell you about that?
She was kind of weird, but now she's pretty nice.
She was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Well, is it okay to be a little bit different looking?
Yeah.
Yeah, different is good.
And I'm just...
Do you think it's okay to tell someone they're weird looking?
No.
No, that's not very kind.
You're supposed to say, you're pretty nice.
Yeah, you're pretty nice is a nice compliment.
Now let's put this little heart on.
Where do you want to put the little heart? It is a kindness calendar.
Right here.
Right there. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
you want to do the glue?
Yeah.
Okay. See, that's kind of me to give up my job and give it to you. Very nice. Good job. Perfect. Look at that little heart. Little hidden heart. I like that.
And now I want to do a bow.
Okay. I don't think that these need glue, so I'm just going to stick them in between.
But the bows need glue.
Yeah. They're a little bit too heavy.
So we need the glue.
How about the red bow? Should we put that somewhere?
Yeah.
Beautiful. How about we get one more bow?
Think of pom-pom. A tiny little berry right here.
Can I see the glue for a second, please? May I?
Just for a second, and when I'm done, here you go.
Thank you.
Is that sharing nice?
That is sharing nice.
So when I gave the glue to her, that was really nice.
That was very nice. That was good sharing. And look at this. We have our wreath.
It's so decorated.
Yes, it's very pretty. Since this is an advent calendar where this is a countdown to Christmas and you start at 12 and you work your way up to one day before Christmas. And we have to start at 12. Is 12 the biggest number or 1?
This.
12. Yes, 12 is much bigger than 1. So let's go ahead and open up 12 and see what is inside.
Poke.
This says, what is your idea of kindness? So this is a free space. You come up with your own idea of what is kind, and we will do that. What would you like to do?
Do this.
What would you like to do for your kindness? What is kindness?
I want to give somebody a treat.
You want to give somebody a treat?
Yeah.
Okay, who would you like to give a treat to?
Aluna.
Your neighbor, Aluna. Okay, and what would you like to give her for a treat?
Teeny canes.
Candy canes. Good idea. All right, let's do one more because we are one day behind. So go ahead and let's take off 11. And poke your finger. All right, just poke through that. Poke. Okay, let's read this one. Day 11 is birdseed ornaments. Isn't it nice to give birdseed to birds during the winter?
Yeah.
Why is that nice?
Because they're so hungry. They're hungry after winter. We should give them some bird seed.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
I love you.
We love you. Bye.
I will see you tomorrow with a mummer who is something nice.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe.